Hello everybody. Today is Roman with you, and we have Nissan Note with us that has small issue. It's 2015 car. So what is the problem? Very loud squeaky noise when it's cold start, at the morning, and then it silences, and you can hear squeaky noises when the engine starts and stops, when start-stop function works, like so. It happens only on start, and then works fine. I found out that the noise coming from alternate auxiliary belt, the one, or you can call it alternator belt. So what can cause that issue? First of all, sleeping belt, but it doesn't sleep when it during driving. There are no noise at all, only when it's cold. Next, alternator pulley, alternator bearings, they will constantly produce a noise. But we don't have constant noise. We have noise only on the start. And even when engine is hot, when you stop and start it, you can kind of hear that squeaky like, ee, and then it stops. So, first of all, what's the plan? Is to replace belt and the tensioner pulley, because that's a usual thing that causes that noise. Especially that I found that belt is stretched to the maximum, like the tensioner is tightened to the max position, but I have suspicions that there could be an issue with harmonic balancer on the engine, and we will start with figuring out what's going on and trying to diagnose that harmonic balancer. Let's go. Okay, let me show you where is that balancer is. That is a balancer, and I put a red mark on it because I suppose that maybe it sleeps. So what we will do now, we will start the engine and put a cold water on the balancer and see what happens. All right, let's start putting the cold water on it. Okay guys, it does not squeak and our red mark is still in place, which means that looks like balancer is okay, and we just need to replace the belt. Let's go.
Okay, let me try to show you where that belt tensioner sits and how to reach it. So that's a right side of vehicle under the hood. Here we have our belt tensioner pulley and the nut that holds it in place. We will need to remove the nut. Also, there is one bolt that actually tensions that pulley, and we need to loosen the bolt to remove the belt. Let me show you where it sits. It's very awkward position and it's really hard to get there. I will try to position camera somehow to make it visible. I don't know, let me adjust it and try to aim on that bolt. Here it is. Yeah, can you see it? We need to loosen pulley nut and then loosen the tension bolt to loosen our tensioner pulley, and that will allow us to remove the belt completely. Yeah, with the pulley. Let me do that and show you how it looks without belt, and that's how it looks with removed pulley. Here is that nasty tension bolt that wasn't visible from the top, yeah, and that shaft one is where pulley sits. Yeah, let me put everything back together.
That's a removed tensioner, Already installed the belt. That's how it looks. So that's a AC compressor clutch. That's a harmonic balancer. That's a water pump. There is our alternator on top. That's our tensioner. So you stick your hand on that place, with ratchet 30mm socket. Tighten that belt until it's pretty tight, like you can rotate it by hand like a quarter turn, and then you tighten that nut, to fix it in place, and that's basically it. All right, boy, and that's how you replace your tensioner and auxiliary belt at home. Keep tuned, subscribe, and hit like and and bell.